So in this episode we're going to look at some of Stevie Ray Vaughan's playing. I think Stevie Ray Vaughan was great. He had rhythm in all of his playing and the way he used to phrase things. He was very influenced by Hendrix and the Three Kings and Mr. Collins and all kinds of great players, and there was a certain swagger to how he played. So what I'm going to look at today is the way he used to phrase certain things in Lenny, and there's a lovely bit where he bounces up and down against a triplet, which I'll highlight to you in a minute. It's worth trying it out in your own improvisation, so you can sort of play around with rhythms within the phrasing more so than just thinking about your note selection. Lenny happens to have a cool sort of relationship between major and minor scales. It's not all sort of minor-y, pentatonic-y. He uses major scales in there, Ionian, but he also flicks between the two really effectively. So the really cool bit in there, there's loads of really cool bits, is like it starts with a Hendrix C. That's great, isn't it? But what's come to my attention with this one is the way it goes. This bit. It just bounces up and off the string and across the triplets, and it's really cool. It's really it's quite funky actually how he's playing that. It kind of reminds me of the Nile Rodgers thing, but working it into blues. So yeah, it's something you could try in your improvisation maybe. If you're playing some lines, just focus on how you would bounce between two single notes. That kind of thing.